If you cleaned fabric with the wrong product and caused damage, stop immediately and assess the damage before doing anything else. First, gently blot the area with a clean, dry white cloth to remove any remaining product without rubbing, because rubbing spreads stains and pushes chemicals deeper into fibers. If the product is water-based, lightly dab with distilled water to dilute and then blot again. But if the product is solvent-based, do not add water because that can set the damage. Identify the fabric type by checking the care tag or feeling the weave. Natural fibers like cotton and linen react differently than synthetic fibers like polyester or rayon, and leather and suede need wholly different handling. Take a clear, close photo of the damage and note the product name, how long it sat, and any color change or texture change so you can provide exact information to a professional. If the fabric feels stiff or discolored, wait at least 24 hours before attempting any further treatment so fibers can stabilize and you can better judge permanent change. For small localized issues, you can try a spot test with plain distilled water on an inconspicuous area first, and if that does not harm the fabric, try a mild, fabric-specific cleaner following the manufacturer guidelines precisely. Common mistakes include scrubbing aggressively, which can push the product deeper and abrade fibers, so stop scrubbing and switch to blotting and consult a pro. Another mistake is using the wrong neutralizing agent. For example, adding water to a solvent-based product which can set the stain, so only use a neutralizer recommended for that chemical type or have a professional handle it. A third issue is assuming the fabric will return to normal with home remedies, which can lead to layered damage. So document the problem, avoid more home attempts if it is significant, and call an upholsterer or specialist who can lift stains, recondition fibers, or advise on reupholstery. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share experiences about repairs like fabric restoration. Our site helps contractors find projects, and our discussion community gives practical peer advice and referrals.